Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on finding probability from a sample space diagram. In part A, you had to work out the values in the table. So you were told you had a four-sided dice and you had two of them. So you can see here the tetrahedron or the four-sided dice going round, and the sides would be labelled 1, 2, 3, 4. The totals were added and they were recorded in this sample space diagram. Now the key words in the question that we've got to do for part C is that we've got to find the probability that the student gets the same score on both dice. This is worth 1 mark. The key facts that you need to be able to do this are that a sample space diagram is used to display all possible outcomes, and you can see the sample space diagram here. The same score means that both dice have got the same number. So for example, one dice would have a 1 and the other dice would have a 1. And to find my probability is how many we require divided by the total number of outcomes. Press pause, have a go at working out the probability that they've got the same score on each dice, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Well done guys, hopefully you managed to spot there's a pattern. So if I got 1 on the first dice and 1 on the second dice, I'm going to highlight here. I could also get a 2 on the first dice and a 2 on the second dice. I could get a 3 on the first dice and a 3 on the second dice, and a 4 on the first dice and a 4 on the second dice. So we can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4 outcomes which are required. So same score on each dice. So that's 4 out of the total. There are 4 across the top, 4 down, which is out of 16. So we've got 4 out of 16 for 1 mark. Note these numbers are both even, so you could halve the numbers and halve them again, which will give you 1/4, or 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So either of these answers, writing it as 4 over 16 or 1/4, would give you the 1 mark in the exam. The mark scheme on this question shows that there's 1 mark. FT means follow through. So the answer you got in part A from doing the sample space diagram on your table, if you just worked out the numbers which are the same for your values, then you would get a follow through mark. The answer should be 4 over 16. OE means or equivalent. ISW means ignore subsequent working. So if you got 4 over 16 and then you cancelled your answer down wrong and you said it was 1 over 2, for example, then you would still get the mark because you wrote 4 over 16 first. So that will give you the method mark. This was worth 1 mark, so make sure you know how to get the answer. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below to let me know what you would like to see in my next video. See you next time!